and then we'll hurry and touch base on the project stuff.
All right.
Does that work?
Yeah, that works fine.
Okay. Did you take?
And Patrick was on. Patrick was on earlier because he posted on. He replied on email, so.
Okay.
I'm assuming he'll be on.
Okay.
Hey, how did you do on your lesson 17 homework quiz?
I don't know. Let me look.
I had problems with it.
I am getting sick and tired of math.
So I had an econ test last week, and I did not do very well. And so my instructor, he goes, I'm sure that you're upset about it, and it's not anything personal about you and your, whatever about, being a child of God or whatever. And I wrote back and I said, actually, as long as I pass the class, I don't really care. It doesn't have anything to do with my business, so it doesn't really matter.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't. The highest I got was 8 out of 11.
For some reason, the later part, well, I had the first one set up, so I missed like 3 because I had the parameters set up wrong. But towards the end, for some reason, I couldn't figure out, some of those questions towards the end. So
yeah, I don't know. I'm getting fed up with this stuff.
Well, that's okay, because it's just like 4 weeks and we're done after this week. So
I know. As long 10,
as 11, 12, 13, 14, we're almost finished.
Yeah.
We got like a month.
I just looked. We have like lesson 23, so we only have like a couple more lessons to do.
Right.
So we're getting closer. Okay. Did you take the quiz yet?
I haven't submitted it, but there's one I couldn't understand. I couldn't figure out how to get it, so I haven't submitted it yet.
Okay. Which one was that?
It was number. Hold on, let me find it. Number 6, the point estimate.
Yeah, I missed that one too. Apparently I don't know what a point estimate is.
Did you get and I know it listed it in there, but I'm not sure. Like I don't know where you're supposed to grab it from, so we might have to go through that together. And then did you get number 7, the margin of error?
Nope, I got that wrong too. I don't understand margin of error apparently. I am so confused on how to even. What did you get for that?
Hold on, let me put this up together here so I can see this. So I don't know that it's right though, because I haven't submitted anything. I put 0.154.
Okay, how did you get
Huh?
How do you get that? So I got negative 0.308 because I thought I was supposed to subtract the intervals.
So I took the upper interval and subtracted the lower interval. But because it's 2 negatives, you have to add it, and then I divided by 2. But there is an actual like formula.
Okay, so it's always upper interval minus lower interval divided by 2.
Well, what Connor told me is that it's the upper interval minus the lower interval divided by 2.
Okay. For whatever reason, I can never get that to stick.
Or what you do is you take that equation, you take the confidence interval. So if it's 95%, you know that it's 1.96, right? And so you take 1.96 and you multiply that by the square root of that hat p parentheses 1 minus hat p divided by n. And then, but you're getting, so that's how you're going to get your, so that equation though is the margin of error.
Yeah, and I saw that.
And then when you
that equation like 6 different ways and I'm like, it never works. So I'm just gonna remember this upper minus lower divided by 2.
Well, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, let's run through real quick, and we'll make sure we've got you right on everything. Because those are the only 2 I missed. So we'll make sure that you're right on the other ones. And then if you don't mind, we'll submit yours and check it.
Yeah, well, let's see if we can't figure out that one that I haven't answered yet. Okay, so let's go. Let's see here. So number 3, I got 0.257.
Number 3 is 0.743. Here, let me
0.743. Hold on. Use the data to find the table for hat P. Hold up. Is this the right one? I kept them both, so I used 2 different. Okay, that one. It's the other one. Okay. Hold on. Let me. Which one is that question? Is it the one with the large numbers or is it the one with the small numbers?
52 out of 70 and 42 out of 59.
Oh. 52 out of 70 and 42 out of 79?
52 out of 70 and 42 out of 59.
Okay, then I misunderstood that then, because I used yes and then the total of females. So like I used, no, wait a minute, did I? Oh, okay, hold on. I put that in wrong.
I do that all the time.
Then I probably got the other, no, I got the other ones right. Okay, so all of my answers for that are going to be wrong just because I put the wrong information in.
No worries. Do you know how now?
Okay, so yeah, I don't know why who can taste, and for some reason I put in who couldn't taste.
Oh,
I don't know why I did it that way. Okay, so hold on, let me shrink this so I can see it. So let's see here. So all of those are going to be wrong just because I had the wrong data entered in. So 0.743.
But you know where to find it on the Excel spreadsheet, right?
Yeah, so I'm looking at that right now. And then the other one is 0.712, correct?
Yep.
Okay, hold on. So probably everything's going to be wrong right now.
All right.
0.712. Okay, and then I put A. Does that change?
Nope. Yeah, it's A.
Okay. And then the question would be the point estimate. Let's come back to that one. Then the margin of error might be different. Let me check and see if the margin of error is the same, because that might have changed. Let me just do this really quick.
I got 0.15.
0.185 plus 0.123 equals divided by 2. Nope, 0.154.
Okay.
Okay. But we don't know if that's right yet. And then the lower bound is I have to change these because that was wrong. Wait a minute. What did you get for the lower bound?
Negative 0.123.
Okay, negative 0.123. Oh, yeah, they're just reversed. Because I did them wrong. Because I put the information in backwards. 0.185, correct, for the upper bound?
Yeah.
And then fail to reject the null.
Yep. Fail to, number 1.
Okay, whoop, oh, come back here, you wily whatever. Okay, so wait a minute. Fail to reject the null. Number 11, there is insufficient evidence to suggest the true proportion of females who can taste it is different from the true proportion of males who can taste it.
Yeah, the last one.
The last one, okay. Got that right. Let's see.
True.
And then number 12 is true. Number 13 is the last one.
Yep.
Okay. Number 14 is 0.141.
Yep.
Number 15 is 0.145.
Yep.
Number 16 is negative 2.020.
Yep.
Number 17 is to the left.
Yep.
18 is 0.022.
Yep.
19 is reject the null.
Yep.
20 is there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the portion number 3.
Yeah, the third one. Yep.
Okay, so let's just try to figure out this number 6 really quick. Let me go back into the point estimate interval. That is in the book. I did read it. It's not in this lesson. Huh?
I didn't see it in the book. I searched through it and found the key phrase, and then when I opened the chapter to read it, it wasn't there, so I don't know where it went.
It is in lesson, I think it's in lesson 17. It's not in this lesson. It's like lesson 17, I think.
Yeah, I went searching for a couple of different places.
Okay, the point estimate. So hat P is called a point estimate of P. Okay, so this says that hat P is a point estimate of P.
Okay.
So let's just go on that for just a second and bring up my quiz again. So let's see. Has this question already asked for hat P?
Yeah, we have hat P from question 3 and 4.
I wonder though if you can take them. Well, okay. So what if you take them both? What if you do something ridiculous and take them both, add them together, and divide by 2?
Yeah, I mean, you could try it. I have no. Yeah, I don't know.
Well, let's just give it a go and see what happens.
Yeah.
So what is it? 0.141. No, that's the wrong one. It's the other one. It is this one. So let's see here. So, okay, clear this. Okay, so 0.743 plus 0.712 equals divided by 2 equals, so 0.728. Let's just pretend. Okay, now I'm going to submit. We'll see what happens. We might have to go back looking, but ready, go to submit quiz. How many times have you taken it?
Just once.
Waiting. Still waiting. Okay, let's see here. Okay, so number 7 is correct. Number 6 is incorrect. So, let me look back at the book again.
Hey, Patrick.
Hey, I went to the link, and for some reason you were not there first, but I don't know what happened.
Oh.
Hey, Hey, Patrick, have you submitted your test already?
I did once, and I had a few wrong, but
You didn't happen to get number 6 right, did you?
let me see here. 0.03, yeah.
You got it right?
Yeah, so 0.03.
How do you find that?
Well, I don't remember now. 'Cause I did it yesterday. And yeah, I'm sorry. I'm a different computer than I did when I did the test, or the thing.
All right. Well, let me pull up. Let me pull up, and we'll go through it again here. Hold on a second. Let me pull up a new quiz. I'm gonna have to look. I don't know how you would calculate that. Like, I know there was a whole section that talked about it too.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I cannot explain it at the top of my head there.
Let's see here. Oh, there we go. No, lesson 18, not homework quiz. We want lesson 18, group meeting quiz. Okay, Parker, did you fill yours back out again then?
That's what I'm doing right now.
I'm waiting for mine to come back up.
All right.
Okay, when you've got them all except for that one number, run through them and then.
All right. You ready?
You ready, Patrick?
Yeah, I'm ready.
30 is 0.743.
It's what?
0.743.
Yeah.
4 is 0.712.
Yeah.
5 is the first one. 7 is 0.154. 8 is negative 0.123.
What did you say there?
Negative 0.123.
Negative 1.23.
Negative 0.123.
Oh, okay. That one is wrong. So. Yeah.
Number 9 is 0.185.
Yeah.
Number 10 is the first one.
Yeah.
Number 11 is the fourth one.
Yeah.
Number 12 is true. Number 13 is the last one. Number 14 is 0.141.
Yeah.
15 is 0.145. 16 is negative 2.020. 17 is to the left. 18 is 0.022. 19 is reject the null hypothesis.
Mm-hmm.
And number 20 is the third one.
Yeah.
And we have no idea how to do number 6.
What did you say the answer to that one was, though, Patrick?
0.03.
0.03. Hmm. 0.03. Did you have to use the probability estimator or anything like that?
I think I did.
Okay, well that. Then let me reset this. And let's look at that data then. And that test was, okay, so. Nope. Nope. Hmm. I'll have to look and figure that out.
I'm trying to find anything on it, and I don't see anything.
Standard deviation for the confidence interval. Yeah, I don't know how to. I'll have to look at that one. I don't know. But do you want the project thingy?
Is it the sample divided by the overall population?
Is it by the overall population?
So do we do 52 plus 42?
Oh, I don't know.
52 plus 42, 94 divided by.
Where's my answer?
Nope. I'll have to look at it. I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea.
Okay. So, talk about the project.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me open it up. Okay.
We all three have to do